Hello, my name is Veronica Smith with Combs Premier Realty Group. My experience with home buying, going into the process, I had paid off everything that I could, but not knowing that that actually increases your buying power in some scenarios. So that's something that I could have learned had I gone to the home buyers seminar prior to going into this process.
My name is Wendell Rawls with Combs Premier Realty Group. My home buying experience was the pre-approval process, is that you have to make sure that you give the lenders all the information that they need. If not, you're gonna be going through ups and downs, you're gonna start getting frustrated. But they give you a layout of what it is that you need to bring to the table so they can get you pre-approved.
I'm Emmett Combs, broker at Combs Premier Realty Group. My experience with the home buying process is that I got denied three times before I really got the information that I needed to understand what debt to income ratio really means to me. All right, I ended up having to sell a vehicle just to qualify, but that process took me 3 years. I know you guys have questions and we've got answers. The Combs team is equipped with a lot of different market experts, such as a mortgage lender, a title expert, credit repair, new construction, investment, first-time home buyers, down payment assistance. We're looking forward to hosting you at our upcoming home buyer workshop. Make sure you click the link below and we'll see you there.